The railing between the living room and the stairs was not to code. The balusters were too far apart, and we knew we'd have to rip it out and replace it with something better anyway. So our plan was to build a 4-foot tall, 10-foot long, half-wall bookcase that would add a lot of storage into this living room area, but would also act as a really strong barrier between that and the stairs. My mom has grandkids. We wanted no one falling through and hurting themselves. So I got started and loaded up all the lumber, made some structural plans at home, but built completely on site the whole rest of the bookcase. I kept part of the newel post in order to incorporate that into the structure, but also used these giant GRK structural screws to secure 2x4s to the floor and then built the structure up from there. Took about 6 hours on day one to get this frame, and then I came back later, put plywood on the back, and added this trim detail. We decided to use this kind of design where it had a big panel on top and 2 smaller panels because that matched all the doors that we had picked for new interior doors here. I was extremely happy with how this whole thing turned out, and as you can see here in a moment, after we get done with this trim part, then I go through and I caulk it. We came back later and painted it to match the trim throughout the rest of the house with an enamel so that it was very durable, and then added a really beautiful live edge top that we got from our local place called Slab House. This is such a beautiful entrance to this house that really changed the whole face of it and added about 40 square feet of storage that became really, really useful for games, cookbooks, kids' toys, all of that. So check it out, and also keep watching my other videos to see the whole transformation top to bottom from this house on Mending a Broken Hearth.